Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Graphics Easy. I'm your host Tanvir. Today I'm excited to share some skills to create some stunning graphics. Alright, it's time to kick off the exciting journey. So this is Illustrator interface. Here are some of options for new pages. You can use this or here are also two options more. Uh, Create new and open. Though it is new page, we click on create new. So now we get another option. Here also some customized pages. You can use this or you can customize as your comfort from here. So we fix the project name first. Okay, here width and height option, and here is the unit. You can change the unit from here. You can use pixel, points, because inch, feet as you wish, no problem. We use pixel. That's why here with 900px you can use as per your desire. And height 900px, that means it is a square page. Orientation vertical and horizontal, we use vertical. Artboard 1, bleed, top, bottom, left, right, all we use 0px. You can also change color mode. Here two options for color: RGB color, CMYK color. We use RGB color for this project. Raster effect, here are some of options: high, medium, screen. 36, we use high 300 ppi, that means pixel per inch, it is better. Preview mode, pixel and overprint is available, we use pixel. So that's all for page setup, and now we click on create. So this is new Illustrator page, 900px by 900px, which is a square page, and this page name is heart, and this 65% is zoom ratio. You can control from here as your comfort, but I think 65% is comfortable for this page setup, so I don't change it. And RGB color mode. Okay, so here some toolbar available. This is control panel. If you don't have like this control panel, you can control from this window menu. If you unclick this, the control bar is vanish, and we click, control panel is available. And for this toolbar also like this, window, toolbar, advanced, so it is advanced control toolbar. You can use, if you like basic, you can use this, but I like advanced. Okay, now this are toolbar also. You can use this window, align, this is align, transform, pathfinder, this align. Okay, appearance, this appearance toolbar, it is also important. Color, here brush, swatches, here is the color. Okay, and swatches we saw already, swatches, and this is the name. Okay, so these are the important toolbar for this project. Okay, so if you don't have this toolbar like this, you can control from this menu. Okay, first of all we have to choose pen tool, which is beside curvature tool, and before that we have to make sure that a stroke is black and fill is blank. Okay, From here we can see a stroke is black and fill is none, and a stroke should be 1. Okay, now it is okay. Now press the left key and release and go some distance, and again press the left button and drag. How much you drag, the curve becomes the shape. Okay, now you can release and go to bottom, and after some distance you can press again, and now escape button. So this is almost half heart shape. Okay, you can select direct selection tool and check bottom x-axis point 450 and bottom x-axis point is 470. These two axis point is not in same line, we have to make it in a same line. Okay, so for this purpose we select first top x-axis, then press shift and bottom x-axis. Now both x-axis is selected. Now go to object, then path, and go to average. Here you can check it alter control plus J, but we go manually. Okay, though we have to make these two x-axis in same single line, we have to press vertical and OK. Okay, now it is in same line. You can check it. Top x-axis is 460, bottom x-axis is also 460. That means it is in single line. Now select selection tool. Okay, after select selection tool you have to select again. Okay, now go to object and transform and go to reflect. Okay, reflect in vertical. See, it is a reflection, opposite direction reflection. Okay, so we have to press copy, not OK, because we have another half. Okay, so press copy. Now two half of heart shape is one another. Okay, now select one and try to drag. Now these two objects are separated by some spaces. We have to make it 0. Okay, that's why we go align toolbar, and here we have to press align to key object and make sure this is 0 px and press horizontal distribute space. You see here one object already clicked before. Now we click horizontal distribute space. You see left part is come close to the right part. You can reverse it in another way. That's it. We have to press then left side. You see it is now selected. Now we select horizontal distribute space. You see right side come close to the left side. Now it is one object, but we have to join it. Okay, now it's completely in one object and it's a beautiful heart shape. so you can enlarge the stroke. It looks beautiful. Okay, 30 maybe it looks beautiful. You can change the stroke color from here. It's a reddish stroke. You can fill with some shade. You can use magenta color. I think it's pinkish. It's look like some shade, and I think it's a beautiful heart shape. And here is some shade. It looks beautiful. You can save Ctrl S like this. Okay, Ctrl X. Okay, here version Illustrator 2020, and all are okay, no issues. Keep go, press OK. You can go export as. That's why you can save this like image. You can save JPG or PNG format, both are available. We select PNG, it's good quality, and export. And here this show screen resolution 72 ppi. It's also good, you can check it, 300 ppi. Yeah. And you see the background is removed automatically. Okay, if you want transparent, if you want black and white, as you wish. It looks good. I think white is okay. Today we describe Illustrator artwork briefly. I hope everyone found this episode inspiring and informative. Remember to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks and fantastic artwork. If you face any problems to make this project or have suggestions to make this journey more interesting, please leave a comment. Until next time, keep creating. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.